Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto between Binance accounts. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. From there, select Fiat and Spot to view your available assets. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send and click on the Withdraw option. This will initiate the process for an internal transfer, making it easy to move funds. Once you've selected Withdraw, you'll see an option to choose the withdrawal network. For a Binance to Binance transfer, select Binance User. This ensures the transfer stays within the platform. Next, input the recipient's registered email address, phone number, or their unique Binance Pay ID. Double-check this information carefully to avoid sending funds to the wrong person. After entering the recipient's details and the amount, review all the information on the confirmation screen. Ensure the cryptocurrency, amount, and recipient's identifier are correct. You will then be prompted to complete security verification, which typically involves a two-factor authentication code. Enter the code, confirm the transaction, and your crypto will be on its way to the other Binance account. Binance to Binance transfers are generally instant and often incur zero fees, making them a very efficient way to move assets. Always confirm the recipient's details, like their email or Pay ID, to prevent any irreversible mistakes. For more helpful tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for a link and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.